Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. You would notice yesterday, guys, and today that Bitcoin has crashed. And so, what is the future now for the altcoins? Because you can see that, yes, we had a correction here for MATIC going on, but now it wants to stay above the 1.03. It doesn't go far down, right? While Bitcoin goes down more and more. You can see the candle here. So, what is happening, guys? Have we found a bottom yet? Let's see. And of course, guys, before we begin, join our monthly subscription. 50 people can join in, and of course you will get personal guidance, automated signal buying opportunities, and many more benefits, also videos, guys. And of course you can join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below as well. So let's see here, guys, some important things. First of all, we have gone under the 1.1110, guys. You can see here we went all the way down, and now we want to hold this support level right here. You can see the one that we closed at 22nd June, guys. You can see here this support level right here. So what does this mean for MATIC, right? Because eventually, guys, I've told you that on the midterm we can't even go to minus 0.236, guys, where we went at 23rd May. We can't even go there. If Bitcoin goes, guys, to 27,000 Tether USD, MATIC will go there. This was our price prediction for Bitcoin, of course, and I believe we will eventually get there. It is frightening, it is scary, I know, but before that, have we approached a bottom, guys? Let's see a little bit the MACD. The MACD is looking okay. It isn't looking good. And of course, it isn't looking so bad. We surpassed the support level right here. We crossed beyond this blue line. You can see here on your screen this blue line. So eventually, guys, we want to hold up. Right now, we don't want to fall down all the way again, but because of MATIC against Bitcoin, guys, we can't stand on our support level for the time being, and we don't want to go further down here. So let's go now to the 4-hour frame. You can see we are in an oversold situation for the commodity channel index. For the RSI, guys, we are not in an oversold situation. That's something that we wanted to see. We wanted to be here in an oversold situation, so we would be sure that eventually we are going to close above the 1.03 Tether USD. But right now we should be a little bit careful. You can see here the commodity channel index as well. It is below minus 100, but as you know, guys, we always check the commodity channel index first after the RSI. You can see here the SSL channel, the red line is above the green line, so we don't have any buying opportunity at all. So let's go now to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we approach the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. On a bearish moment, guys, on a very bearish scenario, we go along the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, and you can see here we have the opposite as of an impulsive wave. On an impulsive wave, we went along the top line of the Bollinger Bands. Now we are going along the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, and therefore what we want to see is to remain higher, and of course maybe we have a buying opportunity here in the buying pressure. We want to go upwards. We want to stop seeing this downfall, because this is what happens, guys, on an extremely bearish market. You can see here now the daily commodity channel index. We are having something that I like actually, guys. On the daily frame for MATIC, we are having higher lows in the commodity channel index. You can see that pattern. I like this pattern. I believe we are close to a swing high, and because of that pattern, guys, I would suggest you that maybe this is a buying opportunity. We will explain that later, though. On the RSI we can even correct more, guys. The RSI on the daily frame can correct more. We are at 37. We are not in an oversold situation yet. So let's go to the MACD. The MACD, nothing to discuss here, guys. Like yesterday, it isn't looking good. We are going all the way down, and I want to open the SSL hybrid, but we don't have, of course, any buying opportunity or any selling opportunity. We eventually didn't have the blue arrow to get a red arrow to short our positions. So let's see, guys, MATIC Bitcoin chart. You can see on the 4-hour frame we stand pretty good, because we didn't get beyond this support level right here, but we are finding most of the times, guys, we are finding the 20-day MA as a resistance level. For now, what we want to see is maybe we can surpass the 20-day EMA, and we want to stay above this critical support line right here. The reason that we don't go further down, guys, is because MATIC is finding some resistance against Bitcoin chart, right? So that's why we don't go below 1.03, while Bitcoin now has gone below its support level right here, the one that we closed on this candle, on this bearish candle, guys, 22nd June. So unfortunately, guys, what can save us for now is if this candle, guys, closes above this support line right here. If we close this up above the support line, then it's all good, but we will see that later. Let's go now to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we haven't seen yet the 20-day MA crossing the 50-day MA, but we might see that, guys. We might see that. For now, we want to see if we can hold, first of all, the support line right here. If we can't, then we are going to go all the way down. I believe, guys, in the next few months, I believe we are going to go down. Few months, I mean 1 or 2 months, not I'm not exaggerating, guys, here, 9 months or so. Do not worry about that. I'm just saying that on the midterm, we might as well go a little bit beyond. You can see the commodity channel index, guys. On the commodity channel index on the daily, we stand in an oversold situation. Not yet though. However, we want to see an upside, a swing high, guys, to the commodity channel index going above the 100. That's what we want to see for now for the commodity channel index. The RSI, of course, isn't yet in an oversold situation, and the MACD looks like the MATIC USDT chart. Let's go now to the price analysis, guys, and the price prediction. You can see here we are holding the 1.03 with everything we have, right? Because why it is a very strong support level, and especially, guys, a little bit beyond the 1 point, you can see here the price level. Why it is a very significant support level to hold? First of all, we didn't hold the 1.10. It was crucial to do that, but it is okay for now. We need desperately to hold this support level, the 1.03. It is very important, guys, because if we just go and close below, this would mean that we won't be going only at 92 cents again. We might be going to 74 quite quicker, because you know that my price prediction for MATIC is that we can go to 74 cents, right? We can go, because you can see the moment, guys, we went down at 74 cents back on 23rd May. This was like a pin, guys, a pin that we told, the chart told us that, okay, yes, we went down, we are having a very significant swing high again, but do not worry, we will get down there in the midterm. And here we are going all the way down. We are having some lower lows, lower highs on the 4-hour frame with our swing highs, of course, and that's what we want to see, guys. We won't just stop right here. For example, let's say we are MATIC and we want to have a swing high. Eventually, if we can get here, guys, a swing high, it is very possible to see a pattern like this following right here, where we had, guys, this right here. You can see if I focus in, you can see that we are in a situation right now, we might see that going on and then a swing high. So therefore, we might see a lower low going on and then a swing high. Eventually, that is if we go down from 1.03. But guys, I believe that we are honestly I believe we are very close to a swing high, right? I believe that we can see the swing high. I don't believe that we cannot. The commodity channel index on the daily can't stay like this forever, right? You have seen multiple times that yes, it can balance out when we have a bearish market. You can see we don't go further above. You can see that on October as well, and a few days before. But you can see that when we are having an oversold situation in the history, we are always going upwards, right? So eventually we can't stay there forever for MATIC. Sometime in the next few days we will see a very high swing high, right? And our next price targets when we see that swing high will be the 1.23, 1.32, and why not, guys, the 1.41, right? So eventually, guys, now where is the bottom? Once we go to 1.03, we can go down furthermore. We need to see where Bitcoin will close. Doesn't look good, guys. Doesn't look good, because you can see that we wanted to stay above the 32,500. Once we closed down, then things weren't looking good. I told you guys yesterday we closed down from there. It isn't looking so good on the daily frame. However, the Bitcoin, guys, is in an oversold situation. Again, we tried to go a little bit upwards. Now we failed. We had the bearish candle right here, and we want to see eventually where we will stop. But of course, you can see that MATIC, guys, in Tether USD is providing some distance, some you know what I mean, some resistance. Yeah, I found the word. It's providing some resistance because of MATIC Bitcoin chart, guys. You can see on the 4-hour frame the MATIC Bitcoin chart. It is very important to hold here, and especially to outperform Bitcoin, because then we won't lose this significant position, this significant guys support level, because as long as Bitcoin goes down, we won't lose it. Okay, eventually if Bitcoin goes down from here, guys, let's say all the way down to our previous low, yes, we will lose our support level here, but of course for Bitcoin we need to close above the 31,253. You can see here, guys, we did it, right? We had gone down to 28,800, guys, and we found support level here. We closed even at 31,700 at the 4-hour frame. So that's what we want to see here. It is very difficult, though. We want to see we can make it, but it is very difficult. We want to see a pattern following where we will see a Bitcoin having a swing high. For now, I do believe we are going to see a swing high right here, guys, and we will see about that. Let's see what we can do. For now, you know my price predictions as our short-term, guys, resistance levels, and of course as our mid-term lowest point. I believe we are going to go to 74 cents again. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon, guys, with many more videos. Bye.